Located in the Frisco community of Brigands Bay, this sound front home is ready for you to love. One-level living with 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 baths. A large kitchen, living, and dining rooms. Enjoy entertaining on the sound front deck, which wraps around to one side of the home. You will be sure to impress with the amazing sunset and water views. There's also a large, fully enclosed workshop and garage which has plenty of storage for all of your beach and water gear. Brigands Bay community is a highly sought-after location, so be sure not to miss the opportunity to call this well-maintained home yours.
NC12 Realty, connecting you to Hatteras Island.